Hi, I'm Colleen Woodstock. This is the program dedicated to helping you create the life you love. Today we're exploring how to create affirmations or power statements. They're essentially the same thing. What you just learned about beliefs in the previous video is important here, as a belief is something you have thought over and over again that has been accepted by your subconscious, just through repetition. The mind thinks 60,000 thoughts a day approximately, and 95% of most people's thoughts are the same each day. Does that blow you away? It blows me away. So it follows that you must rehearse who you wish to become, which is why it's important to create these affirmations or power statements, which is what I'm going to teach you now. To set new intentions, you need to be in a positive energy, heightened states of emotion, in inspired action, and you need to have consistent practice. The reason we do this is because if you repeat these with a positive emotion out loud on a daily basis, they will become unconscious beliefs after a certain period of time, and that time varies for everybody.
So here's what we covered today. A belief is something you have thought over and over again that has been accepted by your subconscious through repetition. The mind thinks 60,000 thoughts a day approximately, and 95% of most people's thoughts are the same each and every day. To change your thoughts and resulting beliefs, you must take control and practice and rehearse who you wish to become using power statements to create new neural pathways in your brain. This will automatically disconnect the old neural pathways of your opposing or negative beliefs if you catch yourself thinking them, and stop yourself as soon as you realize what you're doing. An example is if you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not enough" on a regular basis, interrupt this thought as fast as you can, so you're not continuing to strengthen that unwanted neural pathway in your brain, and instead practice the opposite or positive thought as often as possible: "I am enough," creating a new neural pathway which will serve you much better in life. When you're trying to interrupt a negative thought, picture perhaps a stop sign in your mind. Or you could grab a band around your wrist and snap it. Just interrupt it in some way, or think something positive instead. Just immediately go to gratitude. I do cover this in other videos in a lot more detail. To set new intentions, then you will need the following: positive focused energy, heightened states of emotion. It's great to do it while you're standing, and try and put a smile on your face, for instance. That will help you be in that positive state. Inspired action. So when you're saying these power statements, you can use your physiology, and what I mean by this is to make an empowered move or action, like clapping your hands together or pumping your fist as you say it, to help embed this new thought or belief into your subconscious, or whatever feels right for you. And obviously it takes consistent practice, preferably on a daily basis. The reason we do all of this is because if you repeat these with positive emotion out loud on a daily basis, they will become unconscious beliefs after a certain period of time, which varies for everyone, but is between 30 and 90 days as a general rule. Choose power statements that will enhance your overall life, that you feel you can and do really want to adopt and create for yourself into the future. Daily practice of these power statements will create a new way of being for you in time.
Please comment on the blog, as I'd love to know what power statements you've chosen and why you're committed to saying each of them each and every day. It sincerely will change your life over time and is totally worth the effort. Research has shown it. The more times you say it, the more you will live into it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.